How to onboard a client to Slack. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a dedicated Slack channel for the client. Name it something clear, like client company name, to keep communications organized. 2. Invite the client to your Slack workspace by clicking the plus button next to People in the sidebar and selecting Invite People to Slack. 3. Customize their experience by setting up pinned messages or an introductory message with key information, links, or guidelines for using the channel. 4. Integrate tools your client might need, such as Google Drive, Trello, or Calendly, to streamline collaboration and document sharing. 5. Encourage the use of Slack threads for organized conversations and avoid overwhelming the channel with too many messages at once. 6. Set up automated welcome messages or Slackbot reminders to guide them through the workspace and inform them about important rules or features. 7. Regularly check in with your client through Slack huddles or scheduled updates to ensure smooth communication and project progress.